Hi all, Assalamu alaikum. The subject is maths. Simplify. 2 raised to 20 plus 2 raised to 20 plus 2 raised to 20 plus 2 raised to 20. How to simplify? First, the common 2 raised to 20. 2 raised to 20 outside ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുക. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then we get 2 raised to 20. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus is equal to 4. Then 2 raised to 20 into 4 നമുക്ക് 2 raised to square എന്ന് എഴുതാം. Then exponent rule, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. 2 raised to 20 plus 2, that is 2 raised to 22 is our answer. There is a simplification. Answer is 2 raised to 20, 22. The answer is 2 raised to 22. Thank you all. എല്ലാവരും ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്യുക.